Want to browse the web without saving your browsing history or cookies? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use private windows in Brave Browser, explain what they do, and introduce the optional private window with Tor feature for even more privacy. Let's start with a regular private window. A private window lets you browse the internet without saving your browsing history, cookies, site data, or form entries after you close the window. This can be useful when you're using a shared computer, signing into a temporary account, or simply don't want your browsing activity saved on your device. There are two easy ways to open a private window. The first method is to click the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of Brave Browser, then select New Private Window. The second method is to use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift+N, which instantly opens a new private window. Now let's talk about another option that Brave offers, a private window with Tor. You'll find it in the same menu by clicking the three horizontal lines and selecting New Private Window with Tor. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also press Alt+Shift+N to open one directly. If you don't see the New Private Window with Tor option in the menu, don't worry. You simply need to enable it first. Click the three horizontal lines, open Settings, then select Privacy and Security from the menu on the left. Scroll down until you find the Tor Window section, then enable the Private Window with Tor option. Once you've turned it on, return to the main menu and you'll see the new Private Window with Tor option available. So what's the difference between a regular private window and a private window with Tor? A regular private window only prevents Brave from saving your browsing data after you close it, but your connection still goes directly to the websites you visit. A private window with Tor adds an extra layer of privacy by routing your traffic through the Tor network, helping hide your IP address and making it harder for websites to track you. The trade-off is speed. Since Tor routes your connection through multiple servers, websites may load noticeably slower. For most everyday browsing, a standard private window is usually all you need. You now understand how to use both private windows and private windows with Tor and Brave Browser, and when each one makes sense. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider leaving a like and subscribing for more Brave Browser tutorials and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.